So hello everyone, this is my midterm exam in data warehousing and data mining. My prof is Sir Jonas Macapagal. So sa pinagawa niyang first problem is retrieval primary products from a database and organize them based on size. So ang gagawin natin dyan code is fast forward na lang natin. Select P name size P's from product ordered by P size, kasi nga kailangan natin ma-retrieve ang primary product and organize natin siya based on size. So ayan siya. Okay. Then ayan siya. And the second problem is obtain products set to expire in August from the product table. So the code is mababa ito. Select product name, size, product quantities, total, some product quantities, the total as overall total sales from product cart group by product name, size, product quantities, total. Medyo may kahabaan lang to. Ay hindi, mali pala. Ang codes pala na ito ay select from product where month p.xp date is equal to 8 para maano natin yung sinasabi ng sir na ma-obtain natin yung product in August. Ayan siya. Yun yung table. Yan. So fast forward for the third problem is ito yung kanina yung sinabi kong code na medyo mahaba siya. Fast forward ko na lang. So dito naman sa problem na to, kailangan ma-calculate the total sales from product cart. Including dito yung product name, size, tsaka yung dami din. So ito siya. Yan. Kita naman siya, medyo malabo lang. Yan. So next part na tayo for the fourth question is the retrieval records from the sales tables and group siya by date. Ayan siya. Makuha natin yung mga lahat ng records ng sales natin. Naka-group na rin siya. And this is the last part. Determine the number of the entries in the product cart table. So yung code nila is select, maliit lang to, select count as total and entries from product cart. Ito naman kasi ang kailangan lang natin makita is yung number na entries natin ito sa product cart table. Password natin. So ayan na siya. Yun lang. So that is all. Thank you.